Ballet class combination, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty.
Ballet rond de jambe combination, Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to do preparation. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your arms down. You're going to do a rond de jambe. Boom. Carry side, close to first. We're starting in first. Side, doing 2 with the plie, close in first. You're going to bring your arms up. As you bring your arms, you're going to do 4 rond de jambe, slowly opening your arms. Last one, your arms are going to be open. Then you're going to carry your foot to the side and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Different plie. Reverse it now. Plie and open. Plie and open. Open your arms. This time you're going to open them derriere, reversing your arms because you're reversing the whole combination, and then you're going to reverse them coming in because you're reversing everything. Ba, 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 ba. Now we're going to do the other side. So it's going to be 2, 1. Don't forget to smell throughout the whole process. And then 2. And then you're going to start opening your arms. Ba, 2, 3. And then 4. And then bring your arms down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse it. Boom. Reverse it. Boom. 1, 2, 3,